Hey everybody, this is Dean DaCosta, and today we're talking about a new old tool. In this case, the tool is called Hikido. It does have a Chrome extension, but we're not talking that. Chrome extension just finds your emails in GitHub. We're talking about the search capabilities. I am already in the search page, already done a search. You have choices. Candidate similarity search. You give it 2 or 3 resumes, it finds others with the same skills. And then you have its standard search where it will be pre-constructed. You put in Java, it creates the Java string, put in Android, put in Android. Nice to add skills, location, distance. Then you have the Boolean, which in my case I did Java or C or C++, location St. Louis, 50 miles, and as you see, I got results. Now, it's pulling people from GitHub, Stack Overflow, LinkedIn, and anywhere else on the web it can find people. Great. Now, so I've got this, and I've already created a list. It says Java St. Louis 1. Now I'm going to select all. Notice how the X's turn green, and I'm going to add to list, and they are been successfully added. So you'll notice now some of these emails say request email. Now I did not do that earlier. I'm going to do it now to make sure we get all of the emails that we can get. Now, in most cases, it will find emails. It's pretty accurate, but every once in a while it'll make a mistake. It won't get one, and that's okay. We're just going to make sure we get as many of them as we can. I'd say about 80% of the time it finds one. As you can see, I've done about 6 of them so far, and so far every one of the request emails has found one. And let's see. All right, good. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna add to the list again. No one added. It already had the people. No big deal. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and do next, and then we want to get one more. So it's 15 at a time. So we're gonna do what should be 31 through 45 approximately. Go down, make sure all the emails are there, and we're gonna get to a request email. We're gonna do that. It's about the eighth or ninth, and then so far they've been finding something on everybody. Another one, another one, another one. So far, so good. Two more. So far, up there's one we haven't found. So that's the first one out of about what, 15. So that's pretty good. Now we're going to select all again, the green, add to list, list there. Then we're going to go to lists. Now from here, you'll see all the people are here, and we can do whatever we want. Now I'm going to put select all, and we're going to export to a CSV. Now, what will happen is you'll get a CSV out that'll have all the information you want: their name, location, email, all that, their GitHub or LinkedIn or whatever profiles, all sorts of neat stuff. We just got to wait for it to run, and there you go. So let's see. First things first, their name. Second things first, emails. Third thing first, companies if appropriate, skills, excellent, locations, we're already in St. Louis. And then in this case, almost all of these people are from GitHub, which is fine, or at least they have a GitHub profile. But you'll notice there's also LinkedIn profiles and Facebook profiles and all sorts of stuff. So a nice wide variety. And you'll notice over here, out of the 45, I believe, only one did not have an email. So this is it's a good tool. It helps you search. I still think it predominantly is a GitHub search tool because everything's on GitHub, but it also does search and bring back information from other places. That's what makes it so valuable. Now, I would not recommend creating a list of more than 100 people. I had one of 390 and it times out pulling the search results back. So I wouldn't go with much more than 100 at a time. I've done 45, maybe even do 50 at a time, or 60 since that's an even number when 15 divided by 4. But other than that, good tool, definitely recommended. And that's the Hikido desktop, not the extension, desktop, which you see right here is Hikido.com. And this is Dean DaCosta, and that was Hikido desktop.